Forex traders. Welcome to Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package, helping you reach your financial freedom. This strategy is brought to you by Forex Central. Enjoy learning. What can you learn in this Daily Trend Forex Strategy package? There are 7 very important factors that you can take advantage in this package. Number 1. The Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy will teach you how to prepare your trade for the day. Number 2. It will teach you how to use fundamental and technical analysis for your advantage. Number 3. The Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy will teach you how to choose the right currency pair. Number 4. It will teach you how to identify high probability trade based on strength, trend, and momentum. Number 5. Daily Trend Forex Trading Strategy will help you identify the precise time to trade a winnable currency pair. Number 6. It will provide you unique and relevant indicators that help you analyze your trade effectively. Number 7. Daily Trends Forex Strategy also teaches you when to take your profit on your winning trades. Congratulations for subscribing Daily Trends Forex Trading Strategy Complete Package. You are now on your way to become a successful Forex trader. Enjoy and have lots of fun. Thank you for watching. See the next video to learn more about Daily Forex Trading Strategy, helping you reach your financial freedom. Brought to you by Forex Central team. If you want to know more about this strategy, visit us at www.https://forexcentral.online.